Hi, hello guys. It's me again, Maria, and today I'm so excited to share with you guys the video that I made, what they called Faceless video. So, in this video, you cannot see my face or you cannot hear my voice because I use three AIs to create this video. So you can also try those, AIs that I use in this video. I use ChatGPT, I use 11 Loves, and I use Canva. And then if you're not in the mood to make a video because you are shy, you don't want to show your face, or you're not in the mood to talk because your voice is kind of weird or some kind of husky, things like that, you don't want to talk so you can still make content uh, using those AI. And this in this video, the sample video that I made is all about cooking tutorials. So I use GPT, ChatGPT, I use the 11 Loves, I use Canva to get some images into this video. And you can try for yourself. And you can also do this from, to other niches, whatever niches you are interested in, like fitness or motivational videos or cooking tutorials. But in this video that I want to show it to you guys is all about cooking. So without any, I just want to show you guys that you can, if I can make it, then you can do it, you can make it too. So I'm gonna put the link on the description there, up there, and you can watch that video, step-by-step tutorial on how you can, put all those AIs together and create this kind of video, which is the cooking tutorial. You will see in the beginning of this video that I put my own cooking style uh, to the intro. I filmed I think I'm cooking pork or something, and then I just took a video on that and replaced it to the video that I got from Canva. So you can do that too. You can replace if you are do some cooking and you take a video of what you're doing, then you can replace it to those elements or images that you got from Canva. So there are a lot of things that you can do to create a faceless video. So I just want to show you guys this cooking tutorial that I made, that I didn't show my face, I didn't talk, I didn't say anything. It's all made by AI. And if you want to know how to do that, here is the video on the top. I will put the link on there. Click that video and learn from it and try for yourself. And let me know, guys, on the comment if you made it, or if you have any questions, just let me know. I'm gonna help you guys how you can make a faceless video in 3 easy steps using those AIs. Without any further ado, guys, take a look at my video, watch it, and let me know how it goes.
Welcome to this tutorial on how to make a cooking video. Whether you're an aspiring food influencer, a passionate amateur chef, or someone who loves to share your culinary creations, this guide will take you step by step through the process of creating a compelling cooking video. From planning your recipe to filming, editing, and sharing your video, you'll learn everything you need to know to produce a high-quality and engaging cooking video. Get ready to showcase your cooking skills and inspire others with your delicious creations. Let's dive in and bring your cooking skills to the screen. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make a cooking video. 1. Plan your recipe. Decide on a recipe to feature in your video. Choose a dish that you feel confident preparing and that you think will be interesting to your audience. 2. Gather your equipment. Make sure you have all the necessary cooking utensils, such as pots, pans, knives, cutting boards, and any special tools needed for your recipe. Make sure your kitchen is clean and well organized before you start shooting. 3. Start the tutorial by introducing yourself and giving a brief overview of the recipe. Share background information about the dish or why you chose it. Engage with your audience and build rapport. 4. Cooking techniques and steps. Demonstrate the cooking techniques required for the recipe. Explain each step in detail, starting from heating the pan or oven to adding ingredients in the correct order. Provide tips on adjusting heat levels, stirring techniques, and timing for optimal results. Break down complex steps into smaller, manageable ones. 5. Presentation and garnishing. Guide the viewers on how to present and garnish the dish attractively. Show different plating styles and suggest appropriate garnishes that complement the flavors and the aesthetics of the dish. Encourage viewers to unleash their creativity while keeping in mind the overall balance of the presentation. 6. Tasting and adjustments. Take a moment to taste the prepared dish and evaluate its flavors, textures, and overall appeal. Share your honest feedback and suggest any adjustments or variations viewers can consider based on their personal taste preferences.
So that's it, guys. So it's so easy to make, right? So let me know your thoughts, guys, on the comment section. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. So all you need is script using ChatGPT, the voiceover, the AI voiceover using the 11 Loves, and Canva for your images. If you want, you can use photos, you can use videos, but I use videos taken to Canva and to put into my cooking tutorial. That's only a sample. So if you are on the cooking niche, then you can do that too, or you can upload your own video while you're cooking and replace it to those pages that you took from Canva. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you to create a faceless video, and let me know down in the comments so I can watch your videos too. And don't forget to like, to share, and comment, and of course to subscribe into this channel so that you get notified every time I post a video. So thank you so much, guys, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.